Meanwhile, the slowdown in the IT industry has begun to show in the poor performance of the commercial real estate market in India. Reports suggest that the share of the IT industry in the overall demand for office space is on the decline and has prompted developers to tread a safer path when it comes to new launches. Ritu Singh brings us this report.
The Indian IT industry is not in the best of health, and it's the real estate sector that is getting the jitters. Traditionally, technology companies have been the biggest customers of commercial space in India. But the demand for real estate is on the wane, thanks to the shrinking margins and a weak order flow.
Office market in India been under pressure for last 3 years to 4 years. IT specifically. And since 80% of demand is in the IT space, there is a lot more vacancy than the absorption.
According to data from real estate consultants Cushman & Wakefield, the share of the IT sector in the overall demand for commercial space has dropped steadily in the past few years, from 65% in 2005 to just 44% last year. Little surprise then that only 35 million square feet of new office space was launched last year, down 10% from the year before.
Our business is sentiment driven, be it office space or be it residential. And sentiment in the last 12 months has not been great. None of our clients have made any major expansion plans in the last 1 year, so there is no significantly large demand.
With the overhang of a slowdown in the Western markets, coupled with a cut in discretionary spending and the looming US immigration bill, the Indian IT industry is going through a very tough phase. And the commercial real estate space is perhaps the worst hit, with demand taking a huge beating. Clearly, till such time that the IT recovery remains elusive, builders will have to tread a cautious path. Ritu Singh, ET Now, Mumbai.
All right, time now for a short break, but still up ahead, it's slotted to be a blockbuster release.